having things look like you.
Paul Dunk has tweeted me saying, we have an elf of colour. Our girls have never questioned why their elves are different. Problem. But, you know, rather than just kind of cast judgment on anyone who thinks differently to that, I would like to explore why it is you would feel uncomfortable with a black or an Asian or indeed someone of Chinese. Comes from Turkey originally, admirer, saint of children morphed. Always the country by a section if they found out he came.
My dog, she said, Auntie, your son has been shot outside. And I ran outside.
Whether that draws Croatia out or not, I don't know, but I think we kind of need that, because the longer it goes on at 0-0, it kind of plays into Croatia's hands.
Yeah, I think you're absolutely right there. I mean, if you offered them 0-0 and penalties now, they would take it, but I think that could be a risky tactic, because you saw when Argentina beat the Netherlands in the last round, Emi Martinez, a terrific save in that shootout. So if it does go all the way to penalties, it could end up being 3-2 after 26 spot kicks each, with those two in goal. So either way, I think it's going to be a brilliant occasion. The Argentines clearly will outnumber their Croatian counterparts in terms of the fans. It's going to be a rip-roaring atmosphere. And I think a lot of neutrals now want Argentina to do it for Lionel Messi. I certainly do.
Well, enjoy the game, Alex. Good to talk to you.
Maybe that's kind of added to sort of the conversation and what we have. So, conclusion in this country makes